Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kai and I share quick, easy and very delicious recipes on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my roasted vegetables and chicken thigh recipe. So for ingredients, we're going to need 2 chicken thighs. We're going to need 4 medium sweet potatoes, 2 white potatoes, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and you can also add the red one if you want to, 1 courgette, 3 carrots, and here are the seasoning: 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. I have about a tablespoon of garlic powder, ginger powder, oregano, and more ginger, 1 red onion. I'm going to mix all the seasoning, and I will be adding a little bit of oil to make sure everything is mixed properly before using it to marinate the chicken. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil, but feel free to use any oil of your choice. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for your love and your support. You know I really enjoy reading your comments, so let me know in the comment section after watching this video what you think and different kind of videos you like to see in the new year. I really appreciate that. So I'm going in now with the all-purpose season, a little bit of salt, and mix everything properly. I'm going to set this aside and use it later when I'm ready for the vegetables. Use a kitchen towel to dry any water on the chicken. After that, you can add the mixed seasoning. Make sure you rub everything in properly, because this is what's going to help your chicken taste great. So don't rush it, mix it well, and after that you can just leave it on the side for an hour or leave it in the fridge if you have time overnight, and that will also do the job perfectly well. If you're new here and you are enjoying the video so far, kindly subscribe so you can be notified when I upload another yummy recipe. Now I'm going to cover it up and let it marinate for an hour. It's time for me now to prep the vegetables and add your seasoning, a little bit of oil, mix everything well, and just keep it in the fridge. That will also make things easier for you the next day. Especially during the festive season, you have a lot of things to do. So if you prep your vegetables earlier, it's going to help you and you don't have to stress yourself too much. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful season of the year. Now it's time for me to cut the potatoes, and what I'm going to do, because I want it to cook quickly, I'm going to half it into 2 and then cut it as well in medium size. Today I just feel like using both the sweet potatoes and the white one, but if you don't like white potatoes, just stick to the sweet potatoes, more healthier as well, so you're going to enjoy that. With the carrots and the peppers, I'm going to cut it in medium size as well, so all the vegetables can cook well together. But make sure you put some in first because some are harder and some are on the softer side. I'm going to cut my courgette now, and this is a medium size. You can go for a smaller one or a little bit bigger. I love courgette, and when I'm roasting my vegetables, I always throw one or sometimes even two courgettes in. If you love courgettes, let me know as well in the comment section. Now I'm going in with a little bit of vegetable seasoning, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and this our mixed seasoning. Mix well and set it aside. All our ingredients are ready. I'm going to add a little bit of oil in my baking tray, spread the oil properly, and then go in with the chicken and the vegetables. What I'm going to do here now, because the harder vegetables takes time to cook, I'm not going to add a softer one at the same time. So I preheated my oven for 5 minutes, 180 degree, and make sure you spread the vegetables properly in your tray so it can cook easily. I'm going to pop it in the oven now and bake it for 25 minutes. Don't forget to sprinkle a little bit more oil on top of it before doing that. Now I'm going to add the carrots and mix it with the softer vegetables, and with the onions I'm going to use one. I'm going to season the rest of the vegetables whilst the first one is cooking, and after 25 minutes I'm going to add this one. And again, don't forget to add your oil and mix everything well. So this is cooked 25 minutes in now, and I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. Bake it for another 20 minutes and everything will be ready to enjoy. After 45 minutes of baking, this is the end result, and I'm loving it. I have so much fun making this colorful recipe, and I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, I'm sure you know by now what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. That will allow YouTube to recommend it to more people. And if you love my content, I'm sure you love other people to know about Tighs cuisine. So please keep sharing my content, and thanks so much for watching today's video. I'll see you all in my next one. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.